Hello everyone, welcome back a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to edit minimalist effect using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe now, and expect you support. Okay, let's start editing. Open Lightroom Mobile. First go to Basic Adjustments, then now go to Lights Exposure to 0.30. And Highlights to -1, Whites to -33. Then blacks to -37. Next step, go to curve adjustment, following the steps. Done. Okay, go to color adjustment. -6 to vibrance, and saturation to -23. And select Mix panel, select red color +8 luminance. Select orange color and 37 to saturation, and luminance to -17. Select yellow hue to -87, then saturation down to -38. Next select green color, hue, saturation, and luminance decrease to -100. Select aqua color, bring down saturation to -10. At last select blue color, decrease saturation to -100, and increase luminance to 97. Hit OK. Last step, go to Effects panel, increase clarity to +6. Finished. Let's see before and after, before and after. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. If you want this preset, you can download the video description from the link. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe and like. Please leave your comments about this video in the comment box. See you next video.